That was a quick ball. Whether that got Trescothick in the ribs or whether it hit the glove. The runs are signalled by Mark Benson, so it must have hit the glove.
You know, the amazing thing about Shoaib Akhtar is that he is accurate. He gets it right in there at the rib cage. He bowls that full length that you've got to play.
Is that an edge? I think it is. Andrew Strauss doesn't even wait for the decision. And Shoaib Akhtar strikes in his first over. Strauss has gone.
Well, it's so impressive, is this first over in conditions like this. It's pretty cool out there, but he gets the ball in the right area. It's Strauss this time that looks back at the big screen and sees this. Outside edge, comfortably through to the wicket-keeper. He's at it again. Shoaib Akhtar, the scourge of England. Win the toss, bowl first, take a wicket in the first over. And it's the England captain to boot. Andrew Strauss has gone without scoring.
Edge straight to Inzamam. 3 down now. Shoaib Akhtar on fire.
He got Michael Atherton very excited. I do apologise if anyone's better. Outside edge. Slip fielders are backing up the bowlers. A wicket for Shoaib Akhtar, and richly deserved. And Bell, the man in form, he's now gone. He makes his way back. He's gone for 9.
Bowled in. He won't get into the 40s either.
It was the pace that was the major factor in that dismissal. Shoaib Akhtar fast and furious, on target. That ball came back strongly from off to hit the middle stump. Ricky Clark making room, trying to heave it away over mid-off of covers. Not to be. The battle is won by Shoaib. But not before Ricky Clark impressed one and on with his innings of 39, 162 for 8 England. 24 more balls to come in this spell.
Hold in. Those Yorkers are so lethal.
Brilliant delivery. Absolutely unplayable, that one, even for the frontline batsman. Good pace. And some swing in the air, and then hitting the middle stump. Darren Gough making sure that tools didn't come in the way of that Yorker. Well, this is fantastic stuff. Absolutely brilliant to watch if you're a Pakistani fan. Darren Gough gone for 1. England 163 for 9 and nearing their end.